In this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and start quacking on Wallchain. Wallchain is similar to quacks.app, where you yap about crypto projects, but on Wallchain, they are calling it quack, which means you are going to be quacking on X. In this video, I will show you how to go ahead and get started quacking and also earn reward. To create an account, use my referral code in the description below to create an account. As you can see, this is Wallchain, and all you have to do in order for you to take part is to go ahead and click on open app, or you click on quack. As you can see right here, all it says quack, grow and earn. Earning quack points is easy on Wallchain compared to any yap points on quacks.app. All you just have to do is to click on start quacking with X, authorize app, you're ready to start quacking. Now, as you can see on the leaderboard, it's going to show you all projects you can actually yap about. As you can see this one is finished, Avantis is finished. Currently, you can see the pre-TGE that are currently active for you to go ahead and take part. Ideals, EOSA, ApeCoin and few others. Depending on when you are watching the video, there might be more projects or different projects from what you are currently seeing. So as you can see, all you just have to do is click on start earning. But before we click on start earning, you need to go ahead and connect your wallet. So to connect your wallet, you come to this wallet icon, or this wallet icon you are seeing right here, click on it. Then you're going to see Solana wallet address and EVM wallet. So I'm going to start with the EVM wallet. So click on EVM and it's going to ask you for your EVM wallet address. So to get your EVM address, all you have to do is to open MetaMask and get your wallet address, which is what you can see right here. I'll click on copy, come back here, then I'll paste it in and save. Now, as you can see, saved. Now it's going to ask you for your Solana wallet address. Open Phantom to get your Solana wallet address. So to get your Solana wallet address, all you have to do is click on Solana here and you click on receive. Then you're going to get the wallet address, copy, then I'll come back to Solana, then add my wallet address, then I'll click on save. And as you can see, we've connected our Solana address and EVM address. Now let's go ahead and talk about other things on the Wallchain. If you click on my account, you're going to notice X core, quack balance and achievements. Now let me explain what X core is all about. What this X core means is Wallchain is going to evaluate your account and determine your X core. This involves Wallchain evaluating your account and checking for people that are actively commenting on your posts or people that like. The only way for you to improve your X score would be for you to make sure you are getting retweets and likes on your posts. To get more quack balance, all you have to do is to keep on tweeting about different projects or a particular project on Wallchain. You can also earn quacks by inviting your friends to Wallchain, just as I did, inviting you to join Wallchain. Coming to quacks, you can see various top quackers and you can also see your own profile, which is the overall quacks you've earned, the amount of quacks you've earned and the referral quacks you've earned. And you can also see your X core. It's very easy to start quacking about projects. All you have to do is to go to any of these projects at the top. For me, I'm going to click on IDOS, which you can check the details, and as you can see, it's taking us to Twitter to show us what we need to do and information about this project. Now you can read all this information to learn more about this project and start quacking about it. If you scroll down, you can see top quackers that are currently quacking about IDOS. The only way for you to start getting points is to go ahead and quack. Let me show you an example of a tweet I created on my X profile. Scroll down, you're going to notice I created this tweet right here. This is a tweet related to IDOS network and I also tagged Wallchain along with it. Now, this is an example of a tweet you can actually create. Guys, don't forget to follow me on X. I recently created this profile and we're trying to get to 1,000 followers. As you can see, there are limited things you can do on Wallchain. You just have to look for a project you want to go ahead and quack about and start quacking on X. And that's all. It's that easy. When you quack about all those projects, you're going to get quack points. And guys, this quack balance updates every 24 hours, which means if you create a post on X, you need to wait about 24 hours or more for you to see your quack balance. And make sure people interact on that post before 24 hours. That's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.